Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete pin on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open your Pinterest application. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap and hold on the pin that you want to delete. Then select the pencil icon. Select the delete icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Select delete option once again. And this is how you can delete pin on Pinterest. Thank you for watching the online help guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.